Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Rachna. In today's video, I'm going to solve GATE 2025 general paper, and this is going to help all the students who are sitting for GATE examination, and this is a common paper for everyone, right? So let's start everyone. So here I'm going to start with first question, and in general aptitude we have got 10 questions. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा जो कंसर्न सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके हिसाब से जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो डिवाइडेड होते हैं. अभी के लिए हम जनरल एप्टीट्यूड को देखेंगे. If you haven't subscribed the channel, so don't delay it and support it to get more updates, right? Let's start with question number 1. The table lists the top 5 nations according to the number of gold medals won in a tournament. Also included are the number of silver and the bronze medals won by them based on the data provided in the table. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Right. So here you can see nation, USA, Canada, Japan, Australia, France, and they have got gold, silver, bronze medal, and the number is listed here. Canada has won as twice as many total medals as Japan. France will occupy the third place if the list were made on the basis of the total number of medals won. The order of the top two nations will not change even the list is made on the basis of the total number of medals won. D है USA and Canada together have less than 50% of the medals awarded to the nations in the above table. The correct answer for this is option number A is incorrect and option number D is incorrect. राइट. इन क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछा भी यही जा रहा है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनमें से गलत है, तो ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट गलत हैं. जब आप इस टेबल को कैलकुलेट करेंगे देन यू विल फाइंड दीज टू ऑप्शंस इनकरेक्ट. Question number 2. Identify the option that has the most appropriate sequence such that a coherent paragraph is formed. PQRS में ये डिवाइडेड है. ठीक है, कौन सा जो सेंटेंस है वो पहले आएगा और इसको एक कोहेरेंट पैराग्राफ के अंदर हमें फॉर्म करना है. राइट. पी क्या कह रहा है? पी ओवर टाइम सच एडेप्टेशंस लीड टू significant evolutionary changes with the potential to shape the development of new species. Q. In natural world, organisms constantly adapt to their environments in response to challenges and opportunities. R है this process of adaptation is driven by the principle of natural selection where favorable traits increase an organism's chances of survival and reproduction. S है as environments change, organisms that can adapt their behavior, structure and physiology to such changes are more likely to survive. So in this we find जो स्टेटमेंट है वो क्यू से शुरू हो रहा तो इट मेक सेंस. ठीक है, दिस प्रोसेस तो बाद में आएगा. एज एनवायरमेंट चेंज तो ये भी बाद में आएगा. ओवर टाइम भी बाद में आएगा. तो क्यू सबसे पहले आएगा. In natural world, organisms constantly adapt to their environment in response to challenges and opportunities. And then फिर S आएगा. As environment change, organism can adapt their behavior, structure and physiology to such changes are more likely to survive. And then उसके बाद R है this process. ठीक है, उनके जो सर्वाइव करने का जो प्रोसेस है उसके बारे में ये R वाला सेंटेंस बताएगा. एंड देन लास्ट में P आएगा. तो आपका Question number 2 का C option is right. Let's look at question number 3. An organization allows its employees to work independently on consultancy projects but charges an overhead on the consulting fee. The overhead is 20% of the consulting fee. If the fee is up to rupees 5 lakh for higher fees, the overhead is 1 lakh plus 10% of the amount by which the fee exceeds rupees 5 lakh. The government charges a goods and services tax on 18% on the total amount, the consulting fee plus the overhead. An employee of the organization charges this entire amount, that is the consulting fee, overhead and the tax to the client. If the client cannot pay more than 10 lakh, what is the maximum consulting fee that the employee can charge? Right? Isko solve karne pe the correct answer will come D. 7,24,961. Question number 4. A stick of length 1 meter is broken at two locations at distances of B1 and B2. So in the image you can see B1 and B2. From the origin 0, 0 is here. As shown in the figure, note that 0 is smaller than B1 and B1 is smaller than B2 and B2 is smaller than 1. Which one of the following is not necessary condition for forming a triangle using the three pieces? Right? For this question, when you solve it, you get D option is right. B plus B1 plus B2 is smaller than 1. Question number 5. Which one of the following plots represent f in bracket x is equal to minus x upon x, where x is a non-zero real number? Note the figure shown are representative. Option A is the right answer for this question. Question number 6 में हमसे क्या पूछ रहा है ये? 8 students P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are playing musical chairs. The figure indicates their order of position at the start of the game. They play the game by moving forward in a circle in the clockwise direction. After the first round, fourth student behind P leaves the game. After second round, fifth student behind Q leaves the game. After third round, third student behind V leaves the game. After fourth round, fourth student behind U leaves the game. Who all are left in the game after the fourth round? The figure shown is the representative. You can see the figure here. And for this question, we do not have any option right here, as we have got marks to all on this question. And because all the options are wrong, so marks are given to everyone, right? So there is no correct answer for this question. Now we will look at question number 7. The following figures show three curves generated using an iterative algorithm. The total length of the curve generated after iteration n is. Note the figure shown are representative. So iteration 0 you can see, iteration 1 you can see, iteration 2 you can see. The correct answer for this question is A, 5 upon 3 power n. Alright, question number 8. Here are two analogous groups, Group 1 and Group 2. The list words in their decreasing order of intensity. Identify the missing word in Group 2. Group 1, abuse, insult, ridicule. Group 2, first we have got fill in the blanks, praise and then appreciate. Actually these words are showing decreasing order of the intensity. For question number 8, the correct answer is D, extol. Extol, praise and appreciate. Question number 9. The 12 musical notes are given as C, C hash, D, D hash, E, F, F hash, G, G hash, A hash and B. Frequency of each note is 12 square root 2 times the frequency of the previous note. If the frequency of the note C is 130.8 Hz, then the ratio of frequencies of notes F hash and C is. Correct answer for this question is B, under root 2. Now we'll look at the last question, or question number 10. Had I learned acting as a child, I fill in the blank, a famous film star. Select the most appropriate option to complete the above sentence. Options, from the options we got could have been. Right? Could have been is the right answer for this question. And that's all for today, everyone. I'll see you again in my next session. And those who haven't subscribed the channel, kindly do so that you stay updated. Take care, everyone. Thank you.